Whoa, Carlos. We're gonna play Teardown today because I forgot I had it, and I mean I played a bit of it, but I lost my save game, so I guess we're starting over again. I when I played there wasn't even people, so this is new to me. Maria Lagom. Everyone is Lagom. Oh, it's this family. Oh, family member. Sven. Okay, he's too much of a. I don't know what he is. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look, he has a hat. Okay, obviously we're going with this Kiko. That's a shitty name. Riley. She looks like a Riley, to be honest. Anyway, let's start. God, the game is so loud. God damn. Still jiggle physics? I guess not. Local. Oh, so like my family owns this, but no, my family is called Lagom, not Gugu. Why is everything so loud? Oh yeah, this is the car. Like our character works on it. Come on, come on. Come on, dude. You got this. Kiko, Kick or whatever your name is. Come on. Come on. Please. Oof. That was loud. Come on. Pick up your tool. Yeah, dude. Just wait for me. Just wait. I have some business to do. Come on. Yes. Did I just get it over the side? So, like, get in the middle because it's gonna clip. Okay. Yay! We did it! There. Replace the fuse and turn on power. Can we open it? Oh. Ooh. Wait, no. Whoa. What is the swing? This game is so loud. Because this is the heating, the heater, the thing. Can I break this? Check messages. Tracy, gas bill. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. But, huh? Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, you pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs, mom. Oh, she's my mom. Fishy. Good evening. My name is Gordon Wu, General Manager at Evertise Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking our plans for a new wing. And that needs someone to knock it over. I need it gone by tomorrow, and I've been willing, and even be willing to pay more than the standard rate for some extra discretion. Quick execution and uncomfortable working hours. Really? Yes, sir. Advertise mall. What is this? I mean, it looks like Norway, but barely. This looks like Europe. But okay, whatever. The old building. We need to clear our required targets first. Oh, because I clicked on escape. How do I run? I guess you can't. Local municipality folk museum. This is a well, right? Sensitivity is a bit too much, right? Okay. Propane tanks explode when thrown. Oh. Oh. That's so dramatic. Whoa, 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 whoa. I mean, can I kill? Oh, can I go here? Ooh. I know I can get in cars, but I just wanna boom boom first. God damn it. Dude. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this. Add this here. Okay, please don't blow up. How do I... Okay, I think I need to raise it a bit. Yeah, okay, this doesn't seem sustainable. I would have thrown them all by now. Whatever. Okay, I thought... Uh-oh, I thought... Okay, thank God they don't explode. Yes. Bricks, they don't explode. That's amazing. Oh. Let's see if they explode. If they explode or not. Oh, nothing. Thank God. No, wait. Okay. Wait, is this a house or a municipal building? What? Protected. Oh God. Oh, oh no. What did I do? I mean, to be honest, it didn't look that old. The only old thing about it is this. Okay, let's not. Great. What is this noise? God. This game is so loud. Okay, put this down. Oh. Oh, that's it. Oh my God. This game, the physics. This looks like Scandinavia. I mean, the name is obviously inspired by Scandinavia, no? Rockhill with the double, yeah, with the pointed A with the pointed O. Oh no, I forgot about this. Oh, okay. What am I cutting wood for? Yeah, this cuts wood. For what? I have so much. Oh. Museum. That's a museum, no? Caretaker and enthusiast Brett Johnson found the building razed when arriving this morning. According to the police, the perpetrators did a quick job on the old building. An investigation has been opened. Oh no. Thank you for watching, or nobody watched this. Anyways, Bye.